I have made it my mission to make sure every single day my cat has the best life possible. Cats get bored super easy. You're supposed to do at least one thing different with them every day. So me and my little girl are building a fort. Pulled out these cushions here to make a giant tunnel. Now I'm sliding over the big cat tree and I'm gonna do something over it too. I'm thinking something like this. Where's Layla? You like it, girl? You exploring? Oh, the girl's looking around. You having fun, Lay? Look at her all loafed up in the new fort. Playtime. There you go, girl. It's been like 20 minutes now and the girl is still hanging out in the fort. Look who came out to play. Sadly, our fort can't stay up forever, but I think my sweet girl liked it. Let me know what I should do tomorrow for some girly enrichment. And now, girly, tell them follow for more.